inspired by this toad map, which maps out some toad artwork up in the hole, which is no longer there, but all the pinpoints are still here. You've got the standard OpenStreetMap map as the background, and then feeding it simple lat long coordinates and some additional data. You can add pins on top of this. This is using the flip map service. The idea being is you can then add detail in on the right hand side. So inspired by that, we tried to pick up the code, which the guy who wrote it blogged about it, and put the code up online, so that was quite convenient of him. And the idea is we're going to reply to Birmingham with allotments. So it started off by coming to the OpenStreetMap website, where a lot of the allotments in the Birmingham region have already been mapped and added, which is fantastic. So we can extract straight out of there to get the lat long coordinates. One of the tools ITO World provide, ITO OSM Mapper, you can set up an area here for Birmingham Coventry and filter by tags. The tag in OpenStreetMap for allotments is land use equals allotments, so I can filter down here for just the allotments and export that data out. That gives you all the way IDs for those allotments, and using one of the other tools, which is quite, this is an editor for OpenStreetMap. We were able to open them and pull them down through, and then you get all the individual areas for allotments within Birmingham and over in Coventry. And then there's a function within QGIS which can put out the centre points, which is what we needed to put the pinpoints on. Going further, we could have overlaid the entire area, but we were working with what code was there, and I'm not particularly tech savvy, so I was just adapting what I could do. Yep, so feeding that in, we pulled out just the names. At this stage, it's not too much in terms of features, but we've pulled all the pins out, and as you pan around, they'll load up the relevant sections. And as you click on a pin, at the moment it's just the name, but we can go through and add all the details, including a link through to the council's website with details on the allotments and the number of plots on that allotment and details about the facilities, whether there's access to water or toilets on site. Quite a lot of that data was already available in OpenStreetMap, and you could tie it in with the data sets provided by the council. So it was expanding it from there. That's the next stage, really.
I can't feel myself.